Hello friends, once again welcome back to Excel Homemade Tutorial channel, and today I would like to talk about something different topic which is not related to Excel or something else. So today I would like to talk about customer service. Yes, so after 10 years of my research on customer service, being working in hospitality for 10 years, which includes even 5-star hotel to resorts to standing alone property and even to the roadside kiosks. So I would like to give you an insight that why there are customer service sins in hospitality. There are type of customers which do not get a good service, which do not get the service they required. The reason because of the customer themselves. So it's not the problem of the customer service. Sometimes it is the problem of the customer. I mean to say is the customer is the problem, means they are the one who have these issues. Because of that, they don't get the service what they are looking for. So how a customer service can be bad, or what are the common sins? We will talk about 5 today, and the next session we will be talking about more. So let's get started. The first customer service sin is whenever a customer goes to any restaurant or any hotel and they are on phone, that means they're not gonna get good service. Reason being because you do not treat the other person, the person who's taking care of you, the person who's gonna take your order, as human beings. Because if you care about that person, you will put down your phone and then only you will place your order or you will talk to that person. Not like when you go to the restaurant on the phone like this. Hi my friend, everything is fine, all good, okay. Hi, can you give me one butter chicken please? Yeah, it's fine, everything is. So like this kind of things happens every day nowadays. People seem to be very busy. They want to show other person who actually do not even care that they are very busy. So in that scenario, they won't get the service they are looking for. So what happens if ever, please, you go to a restaurant or any hotel or anywhere you are required customer service, please never ever use your phone. You should have a conversation person to person. You should not be interrupting other person, or actually you are making two people hanging around like you're on the phone. That person also is not, you're not 100% with that person, you're not also 100% with the customer service agent. Or so make sure you do not be on the phone if you want a good service. So this is number one sin, is being on phone. Number two is hands in your pocket. Whenever you go to a restaurant or a coffee shop, you put your hands in the pocket and you walk around. So in that scenario, people are not gonna really care about, because hands in the pocket is a sign that you do not want to be disturbed. Yeah, so the customer service agent or your waiter, waitress, they're not gonna pay more attention to you. So you won't get the service you're looking for. Number three is when there are people in the group, you're going in a group to a restaurant or coffee shop and you chatting among yourself, and the hostess who is escorting you, you don't even talk to her, you don't even listen to her, or you're not looking at her, you're talking to your friends, you just say hi by side without even looking at eye contact. There is no eye contact, and this is one of the bad sign of not getting good customer service, because you're not trying to behave like a human being, or you're not treating the other person who's going to take care of you as a human being. So that matter, you're not going to get a good service. So do not complain after. So when you go to a restaurant, make sure your chat is finished outside. When you enter, you should have the conversation with the person who's going to take care of you. Then hands folded out like this. I wish you can see. Folding hands is also a sign of authority, and also that you do not need help, you do not need assistance, you do not want service. So in that scenario, your waiter or waitress or any customer service executive is not gonna take you seriously, and they will always have a boundary, you and that person. So if you want the customer service, or if you want a good service, please make sure your hands are hanging around, not folded hands. It's one of a sign of not getting a good customer service. So this is one of the sins. So number 4. And number 5 is when you go to a restaurant, you already have the menu in your hand, and or else some places like airport or a small coffee shops, you see the menu on the wall or on the television. In that scenario, you're still gonna ask, what do you have or what do you serve? That's one of the sin. The person standing behind the desk, or the person who's going to take your order, will be thinking you like a fool. Oh, What the fuck, man? You see the menu, everything is there. Why you still need to ask what you have? You first decide yourself what you gonna have, what are you looking for. So once you're ready with that, if they don't have that thing in the menu, then only you can ask that question. Until unless, please do not bother other people asking what do you have, because the people behind the counter, the people who are there to serve you, they are already pissed off, they are already tired answering too many questions. So please make it simple and give your order and smile, most importantly, because as a customer you are supposed to smile too. Not only the customer service agent, waiter, waitress, it's their job, it's our job to make it easier for them to work. So these are the customer service 5 sins. So if you want a better customer service, so please do that. Do not skip any of them. Do not put on phone, I mean, do not be like this when you enter in the restaurant. It's the same. Hands in the pocket, talking with your friends in the group when you're entering to the restaurant, hands folded, and never ever ask a question like what do you have, most specifically when you can see the menu. So this is it about this video, guys. Hope to see you next time, and I hope if you like the video you will gonna share it. Please comment if you like any of those sins or anything you want us to add. So we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye. Keep smiling. Thank you.